Yo, what's up mga Lord Cakes? Ang makikita nyo ngayon ay yung warehouse ng South Star Drug Corporation. Ayan. Diyan pala yung warehouse ng South Star Drug Corporation. Dito yan sa Avocado Street. Yan. South Star Drug Corporation. At ang susunod ay ito naman yung head office ng Quick Relief Pharmacy. Quick Relief Pharmacy head office. Dito lang yan sa Avocado Street, Teachers Village, San Miguel, Pasig City. Ayan, yung Avocado Street, Teachers Village, Pasig City. Thank you.